Welcome to another episode of Nigerian Kitchen, the tiny Nigerian kitchen. Today I'm going to be focusing on Nigerian snacks and specifically puff puff. So yes, today I'm going to be making puff puff, which is basically like African donuts. It's common all across, I'd say West Africa, but actually across much of the continent, and it's pretty easy. So it's going to be a very quick episode today. So the ingredients: flour. I've got 250 grams of flour right here. Then some sugar. I've got about 80 grams of sugar. I've got some nutmeg, just to add a little bit of flavor. I've got about 200 milliliters, which is actually also 200 grams of water. Some yeast. So we're gonna obviously puff up mixture with the yeast so we can get started. And pretty much I'm just going to dump in all the ingredients together. Put in my sugar. Grate a little bit of the nutmeg. So for sure, nutmeg is not needed, but it just adds awesome flavor to the finished product. Oh, that smells so good. Pinch of salt. And now just mix everything together with the 200 ml of water. Okay, make sure that's mixed really well. Now we need this to puff up before we fry it. So I'm going to cover this now with some cling film. Okay, done. So covered with cling film, and gosh, it is really warm in this tiny kitchen. So I'm just going to put that to the side for 1 hour and let it puff up. And then it's the last stage. As I said, it's going to be really quick today. Okay, so I've left that for an hour now. It should be good to go. Yeah, look, it's... So, all that's left to do now is to fry it. So I'm gonna put some oil in my pan. I want it relatively deep because puff puffs should be little balls, puff balls. So I need quite a lot of oil in this pan. So now we just need the oil to be hot and we're good to go. Yeah, look at this dough. This is the first time I am making puff puff. Now I've seen the technique that traditionally the women in the markets who make this will use, which is where they have a blob of the puff puff dough in their hands and they manage to squeeze out these balls. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but I'm going to give it a go. Okay, so I think the oil is hot enough. I'm just going to do a little drop inside. Test. Yeah, and that is ready. It's kind of bubbling up straight away and puffing out. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to give this technique a go. Let's see. Well, not bad. Yay! It works. So you just take some dough in your palm. It's very sticky. And then just squeeze a drop out. There we go. Whoa! First time I'm doing this. Oh, I'm excited. This is the first time I'm making puff puff, and I'd say they've come out pretty well. Okay, I think that's pretty much it, and this is a mess. I need to quickly wash my hands and get these out before they burn. Okay, I think the puff puff is ready. Ooh, time to switch this off, clear a little bit of the smoke in there, and then give this a proper bite. Okay, and we are done. Puff puff. It looks beautiful. Can't believe how well it's turned out. Okay, so before I taste, it really ought to be beautified and finished off with a little icing sugar sprinkled on top. So I've just powdered up some sugar. Beautiful. And I think we're done. So there's only one thing left for it, and that is to try. So I'm going to try right from the top. Yep, hit the nail on the head. This is fantastic. I love the nutmeg as well that's coming through. And I've had puff puff in the past. It can be really quite oily. This is good. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. How you make the perfect Nigerian puff puff. Wow, that is really tasty. So, guys, thank you again for watching, for supporting the channel, for commenting, leaving likes. Please continue to do so. So press that like button, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to press bell notification icon. See you next week on Nigerian Kitchen.